if you can keep your mitochondria healthy.
How?
Exercise and reduce consumption of highly processed carbohydrates.
We need to be avoiding these microplastics as well.
You know, the problem with microplastics, they're very ubiquitous. We're not really sure. We're just now becoming aware of it. Nobody really knew that before. Look it up. But it could cause small foci in different populations of cells.
Scientists just discovered the real reason you age. It's not your DNA. It's not time itself. It's microscopic aliens living inside your cells right now. 37 trillion cells.
I think aging is a mitochondria phenomenon. That is, I think aging is a metabolic phenomenon, not a genetic phenomena. And people would say, but look, we have these markers, they correlate with age. We can measure these, the telomere length, the DNA methylation. I say that's correct, but that's not cause.
Each packed with hundreds of ancient bacteria. They control everything. Your energy, your lifespan, how fast you wrinkle. Most people feed these aliens poison daily, but a few biohackers figured out how to reprogram them. The result? They're aging backwards. Want to know their secret? The revelation. These aliens are called mitochondria. They invaded human cells over 1 billion years ago. They have their own DNA completely separate from yours. And here's the crazy part, they decide whether you live to 60 or 160. Every second, they're producing energy for your cells. But this process creates toxic waste, like a car engine producing exhaust. Over time, this waste damages them. They get weaker, make less energy, create more toxins. Your cells start dying. Your skin wrinkles. Your muscles shrink. Your brain fogs up. You call it aging. But it's really just mitochondrial murder. But what if I told you that you can actually reverse this process? The breakthrough. Scientists discovered something incredible. Your mitochondria can regenerate. They can repair themselves. They can multiply. They can actually become more powerful than when you were young. The process is called mitochondrial biogenesis, growing new, supercharged cellular engines. But here's the problem. Modern life is a mitochondrial massacre. Processed food, sitting all day, chronic stress, environmental toxins. You're killing them faster than they can heal. Most 40-year-olds have the mitochondrial function of a 70-year-old. But some people reverse this completely. Let me show you exactly how. Hack number 1, the fasting protocol. First hack, strategic starvation. When you fast, something magical happens. Your cells activate autophagy, literally eating themselves. They consume damaged mitochondria and cellular garbage. But here's the kicker. Fasting triggers massive mitochondrial growth. One study showed 16 hours of fasting increased new mitochondria by 300%. The protocol is simple. Eat in an 8-hour window, fast for 16 hours. Example, eat noon to 8 p.m., fast until noon next day. Advanced level, 24-hour fasts once weekly. Expert level, 48 and 72-hour fasts quarterly. Always consult a doctor first. Your mitochondria get a spa day. They clean house. Then multiply like crazy. Hack number 2, cold shock therapy. Second hack, freeze your age away. Cold exposure forces mitochondria to work overtime generating heat. This stress makes them stronger and more numerous. Cold also activates brown fat, special tissue packed with mitochondria that burns calories just to keep you warm. Start simple. End showers with 30 seconds cold water. Build to 2 to 3 minutes over weeks. Advanced. Ice baths at 50 to 60 degree Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Finnish research is mind-blowing. Cold exposure can literally reprogram your cellular aging process. Hack number 3, heat shock protocol. Third hack, sweat your way to youth. Saunas trigger heat shock proteins that protect and repair mitochondria while growing new ones. A Finnish study tracked 2,300 men for 20 years. Those using saunas 4 to 7 times weekly had 40% lower death rates. Their biological age was 5 to 10 years younger. Protocol, 15 to 20 minutes at 175 to 195 degree Fahrenheit. Follow with cold shower. Do this 3 to 4 times weekly. No sauna? Hot baths at 104 degree Fahrenheit for 20 minutes work too. Your mitochondria love this hot-cold contrast. It's like CrossFit for your cells. Before I reveal the next two hacks, here's something incredible. There's actually a device that can supercharge all these protocols. Red light therapy devices target your mitochondria directly with specific wavelengths. Professional athletes use them. Biohackers swear by them. NASA developed the technology. If you want to accelerate your results, check out Juve Red Light Therapy. They're offering $50 off any device right now. Link in description. Now, let's get back to the hacks. Hack number 4, mitochondrial exercise. Fourth hack, the right kind of stress. Not all exercise helps mitochondria. The secret is high-intensity interval training combined with strength work. HIIT forces rapid switching between aerobic and anaerobic energy production. This controlled stress signals your body to build bigger, better mitochondria. Simple protocol: 20 seconds all-out effort, 40 seconds rest. Repeat 8 to 12 times. Do this 2 to 3 times weekly. Sprints, burpees, kettlebell swings to anything that makes you breathless. Add strength training 2 to 3 times weekly. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, pull-ups. Your mitochondria respond to challenge. Give them what they crave. Hack number 5, mitochondrial nutrition. Fifth hack, feed your cellular engines premium fuel. Your mitochondria need specific nutrients to function optimally. Coenzyme Q10, essential for energy production, 100 to 200 milligrams daily. PQQ, stimulates new mitochondria growth, 10 to 20 milligrams daily. Magnesium, required for more than 300 mitochondrial reactions, 400 milligrams daily. Alpha-lipoic acid, protects from damage, 300 to 600 milligrams daily. Omega-3 fatty acids, keep mitochondrial membranes healthy. High-quality fish oil. These aren't optional. They're mandatory for mitochondrial optimization. The synergy effect. Here's where the magic happens. When you combine these hacks, they create exponential results. Fasting plus cold exposure plus targeted nutrition equal to cellular transformation. Your mitochondria start communicating through mitochondrial networking. When you hack one, it signals others throughout your body. Brain to toes. Everything upgrades. Studies show incredible results. People following these protocols report 20 to 30% energy increases within just 2 to 4 weeks. Their exercise capacity improves dramatically while recovery time shrinks. Sleep quality becomes deeper and more restorative. Mental clarity sharpens like never before. Inflammation markers drop significantly. Most importantly, biological aging measurably slows down. One 12-week study showed 15% increase in mitochondrial capacity and 25% better insulin sensitivity. The critical warning. But here's what kills most people's success: trying everything at once. Don't be that person. Start with one hack. Master it. Then add the next. I recommend beginning with intermittent fasting. It's free, requires no equipment, provides immediate benefits. Week 1 to 3, start intermittent fasting. Week 4 to 6, add cold showers. Week 7 to 9, add heat therapy. Week 10 to 12, optimize exercise. Week 13, perfect nutrition. This isn't a sprint. It's a lifestyle that could add decades to your life. Measurable results timeline. Week 1, energy starts improving. Week 2 to 4, sleep quality increases, mental clarity sharpens. Week 6 to 8, exercise recovery improves dramatically. Week 10 to 12, visible changes in skin, muscle tone. Month 6, biological age markers improve significantly. 7 to 12 months, friends start asking what you're doing differently. The key is consistency. Your mitochondria respond to patterns, not one-off events. Think compound interest for your cells. The breakthrough science. Recent research is revolutionary. Scientists can now measure mitochondrial function in real time. They're seeing complete cellular transformation in people following these protocols. Dr. David Sinclair at Harvard showed mice living 30% longer with mitochondrial optimization. Human trials are showing similar results. The anti-aging industry is a $62 billion market. But most products don't work because they don't target the root cause, mitochondrial dysfunction. These 5 hacks do. They're backed by hundreds of studies. They're free or cheap. They work. Your next steps. Your mitochondria are waiting. Every day you delay is another day of unnecessary cellular aging. Tomorrow morning, start 16-hour fast. End your shower with 30 seconds cold water. Do this for 1 week. Track your energy levels. Notice the changes. Then come back and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest obstacle? Fasting? Cold exposure? Something else? Remember that $50 off Juve red light therapy? That discount expires soon. If you're serious about optimizing your mitochondria, check the link in the description. Here's something that will blow your mind. Your mitochondria actually decide whether you get cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's, or diabetes. These aren't separate diseases. They're all mitochondrial dysfunction. When you optimize your mitochondria, you're not just slowing aging. You're preventing the diseases that kill most people. The fountain of youth isn't a myth. It's in your cells right now. You just need to know how to activate it. Aging isn't inevitable. It's optional. Your mitochondria hold the key to longevity and vitality. The question isn't whether you can reverse cellular aging. Science proved you can. The question is, will you? If this video changed your perspective on aging, smash that like button. Subscribe for more cutting-edge longevity science. Ring the bell so you never miss life-changing content. And don't forget that Juve Red Light Therapy is offering $50 off any device right now. Link in description. Your future self is counting on the decision you make today. Don't let them down. See you in the next video where I'll reveal the one supplement that increases mitochondrial function by 40% in 30 days.